Fam, it's Rebecca, and you guys saw that we just escaped from the Zen Room. The Game Master gave us truth serum so that we would reveal any information or clues that we had.
Yeah, it was like an escape room in real life. But what the Game Master doesn't know is that I stole this while spying on Pumpkin Patch, and this actually allows us to get into all the spy cameras that the Game Master set up.
So we're gonna quickly change out of these clothes and then look at the cameras he has on there to see if we can get any more information. Okay, so we are finally changed. I'm out of that white dress, which was so uncomfortable. And now we're gonna look. Are you ready, Matt?
Let's see what's in here.
I wanna know where the Game Master has cameras.
Whoa.
Oh.
Okay, it looks like there's 4 cameras here right now.
Okay. Look, that's the Zen Room where we were. Okay, what's next to it?
That's our cabin, Beck.
That's our cabin. He has a hidden camera in our cabin. We already knew that though. We just don't know where it is.
Okay, maybe we can use this device when we get up there. Wait, there's a pond here.
That pond is Steven Shares. Oh my gosh, the Game Master is also spying on the Shares. What's that?
It looks like a lab.
It's like a laboratory. I don't think we've ever been there.
Oh, look, Beck, if you swipe over it, you can see more.
Okay, what is that? Is that Pumpkin Patch's hideout?
Why would the Game Master be spying on Pumpkin Patch?
I don't know, you guys. Comment below if that's the same Pumpkin Patch from when I spied on Pumpkin Patch at his hideout. And then what's that next to it?
That looks like her attic, Beck.
Oh my gosh, that's where I spent 24 hours, Zamfam. Do you remember the Game Master had me spend 24 hours in that attic? He had a camera on the whole time.
And what's this like? It looks like a really dark room. I can't really see too much in there. And then the last one looks like a ship?
A ship? You guys, let us know if you've seen that ship in the comment section. I don't think I've ever seen that ship.
Let's go look at the other cameras again.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
What?
Zamfam, the Game Master's in the lab. What's he doing?
Beck, if you click on it, it shows the coordinates. Where's your phone?
Oh my gosh, hold on.
Put
Let me
these in.
put that in. That's to downtown Los Angeles. The Game Master's here in Los Angeles. He's making the truth serum. Wait a sec, what if we can sneak in and get the truth serum and then use it on anyone we think is the Game Master? We could figure out who the Game Master is.
Go back.
I think we're gonna go thumbs up this video if you guys would also chase the Game Master. I think we need to figure this out and get the truth serum. Okay, Zamfam, so we're here at the Game Master's laboratory and we're watching to see what he's going to be doing
Beck,
next.
he just left.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, there he is. There he is.
He's on the phone.
Let me see if I can hear him on this spy gadget.
What is this?
I can hear him. I can hear him.
Meaning lost. How did you lose it?
He said he's mad at somebody. It sounds like he's mad at somebody for losing something. Let me turn up the sensitivity on this.
Stay there.
It sounds like
Meet you in an hour.
it sounds like he's meeting somebody in like an hour.
An hour?
Yeah. They're really upset that they lost something.
Okay.
Okay.
An hour. Let's go in. Let's get the truth serum. Let's go. Gotta go before it gets there. Oh my gosh, it's the Game Master's laboratory.
What do you think he's making in here?
I have no idea.
There's so much stuff in here. Look, there's a bunch of stuff within the cabinet that we did.
Different potions.
They're all locked up. It's all locked up.
Gosh.
Laptop.
And look, Matt,
There's stuff on the floor.
there's like codes. What do you think it means?
I know, it looks like alien stuff.
Zamfam, if you know what any of those codes are, let us know in the comment section.
Look at that. Truth serum.
Truth serum!
Okay, so he is making truth serum.
Zamfam, you guys saw that the Game Master gave us truth serum, and this paper looks like
It's like the secret formula.
It's the secret formula. Oh my gosh. If we make this truth serum and we give it to anyone we suspect is the Game Master, they'll have to tell the truth and say if they are. So we can give it to Chad Wild Clay,
Finally.
Steven Share, Dobre twins,
Anybody.
anyone we've suspected.
Beck, look at this. This light is shining right on this laptop, and it's shining on the space bar.
Is this the Game Master's laptop? Should we press
I'm
it?
gonna press it.
Welcome, recruit number 4, to my lab. You are here because you have accepted my invitation to join the Game Master Network. In order for you to earn my trust, you must pass this final test by solving the clues to create the truth serum.
So it says this is an invitation to join the Game Master Network?
I've never heard of that before.
And it says we're the 4th to get invited. So that means there's 3 people so far working for the Game Master.
Well, I think Pumpkin Patch, obviously.
Obviously, who do you think the other 2 are?
Maybe we should make this truth serum and try to like figure out who the other person is.
Oh my gosh, that light keeps flickering whenever we say truth serum. So even though we're not joining the Game Master, we can still make the serum and have the truth serum. Truth serum says it's 50 milliliters of blue, 50 of yellow, 1 of a clear, and 1 scoop of powder.
In fact, it's all in these cabinets.
Okay, and they all have locks
So
right
you gotta
now.
figure out like where the keys are and like combinations.
I guess we should start
look
looking
around,
for
look around.
clues. So look, some of the locks have like 4 or 5 digit passcodes. There's a directional one. There's a couple with keys. Looks like there's 4 with keys. So
Okay.
maybe if we look for a key right now.
There's so many spots to look.
What's
Let me
this?
look inside here.
Oh, whoa, there's like all these wires. What are you doing?
I don't even know.
Matt, there's a key here. There's a key. Wait.
Can you
so
get it?
if I do this, I can grab it on.
Oh, you're so close. You're so
Oh.
close. Just yank it back. Get it out.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I got it.
Yes.
Hold on. There's a hole in the bottom of the glove. I can
Get it?
Yeah, hold on. I got it.
What?
Zamfam, I got it. Oh yeah.
Okay, let's unlock the locks, Beck.
So we need to figure out which one this unlocks.
Okay, Beck, there's 2 locks over here. They both
Okay.
need keys. Yes. Yes.
It doesn't.
Same.
All right, hold on.
Okay.
Hold on.
What? Okay.
It goes in, but it's not the right. Hold on. There's some over here. Hold on.
That looks too small.
I think it's this one.
Oh!
It works.
It's all the blue liquid.
Which ones do we use?
I have no idea.
They all look exactly the same, Beck. Look at, there's 2 like little numbers here too.
Maybe we should keep those. Those might be a clue.
Absolutely.
How do we know which one to use? Zamfam, comment below if you can figure out which one we're supposed to use.
If you put out, there'll be like a size order.
Is there anything else that you guys notice that we don't? Wait a sec. Matt, if you look underneath, there's different colors. What color do you see?
Should we take these off? Here's a red one.
Okay.
What other colors do you have?
Red. So maybe if we find the blue one, that's the actual blue one we're supposed to use. Yellow.
These are all red. You don't even have to open it up, Beck. You just
I
look.
know. Yellow.
Got white.
I don't want the GameMaster to come.
Oh my gosh.
Blue.
Found it?
Yeah, blue. So Zamfam, I think this is it. I think this is the right one. We're gonna use this and start mixing the potion so we can get the truth serum.
Come on, Beck.
Okay.
All right, let me get my backpack out.
Okay. Okay, Zamfam, so for the truth serum, it says 50 milliliters of blue. So I guess we just fill it to the 50 milliliter line, right?
Are you sure?
I hope so.
Why is it fizzing? Almost there, almost there, almost there.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Congratulations on solving your first clue. But now that you have exposed the liquid to the environment, you only have 20 minutes to find another
You have
3
20 minutes?
ingredients to combine and make the truth serum. Time begins now. Haha, good luck.
So it says change your reality. Zamfam, do you guys know something in this room that would change your reality?
These things right here?
Wait a sec, Matt, what about the glasses?
Virtual reality glasses.
Yeah, so what if we try that?
Okay, I'll start down here. You start over there.
Okay, I don't see anything.
I got nothing.
I don't see anything at all.
Nothing here yet.
Okay. Matt, I see something.
I don't see anything yet. What do you see?
Okay, so I see a bunch of letters. I see a T, I see an E,
I see an H,
and an E,
a K, and a Y. My first letters, Beck.
T, and then an E.
Okay, my first letter is an H.
H.
The.
Okay. Oh, like if we combine them?
Every other letter. Yes.
Okay, let's write them down. Let's
Okay.
figure it out. Okay, I had a T.
You mean just to tell you all my letters?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. H,
H,
K,
K,
Y,
Y,
S,
S,
N, H. Yeah, like H.
H.
That's all I got.
That's it?
Yeah.
Matt, can you go on mine and tell me what the ones you see on mine?
E,
And now we have the.
E.
Oh, key. The
The
key.
key.
Okay.
I, T,
T,
E, K.
K. The key is in the sink. The key's in the sink. It's in the sink. I see something at the bottom of the sink, Matt. It's like
Okay.
a ball.
Beck, we gotta put water in the sink.
Okay.
Okay, look at this right here. I got the one side. Can you get that? Get it. Okay.
What, you think this is gonna work?
Yeah, absolutely.
It's taking too
It's taking
long.
too long.
There's gotta be something else
Is there
that
any
we
other
can
water
use.
things? Beck, Drano.
Drano. Zamfam, if you think the Drano will work, comment below. This is what you use for sinks, right? When they get clogged.
There's something coming out, Beck.
Oh my gosh, Matt, grab it, grab it.
I got it. There's a key attached, Beck. A key.
Okay, and what does it say? It says UDLLR ×2.
X2 maybe. Beck, we have the key. We have to
Okay,
start looking
so
at
now
that.
we need to figure that out.
Okay, that's like a directional lock, Beck. This looks like it's gonna fit. Here we go.
Ooh, that's a clear liquid.
All right, it's open, it's open. Oh, there's some letters in here too.
Really?
Yeah.
Put them with the others.
Okay.
Okay, so it says 1 milliliter of clear. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
What was it?
Heard that.
Oh my gosh.
It's like a little wooden box.
It Sounds like it's a key or something.
Sounds like there's more than one thing in there.
Okay, so how do we figure this out?
It's a rectangle box.
Yeah, and then 3 circles, and there's like dots on them. Is there anything in here that's like round, like a circle?
Yeah, look at these. These are round in here.
Like a circle?
That doesn't fit.
Okay, there's gotta be something else that we're missing. See, if you see anything round in this room, let us know.
Beck, we're running out of time to make the serum. We gotta hurry up.
Did you see that? When you said serum. Clock! Wait, so the clock is round like this. It's just like the face of a clock.
Yes.
What if that's it?
That's a clock.
There's a clock.
There's another one over here, Beck.
So there's 2 clocks.
2 clocks.
Look, this has like a pen. See, this is just like the pen we found in the abandoned prison. It was a black light pen.
It's a black light.
Yeah. So do you see anything with a black light? Okay, so we have 2. Is there any other clocks?
Another one right up here. Right up here.
Zamfam, let me know what you think the code is for this. We have to basically move this to the right place.
Wait, where'd you find the black light?
I found it with the first clock.
Was it behind the clock?
Yeah. What if there's something with the black
Exactly.
light? So Zamfam, if you think that there will be something on the back of this clock, comment below. There's a 3.
Yes.
What do you think the 3? Maybe it's the order.
This one says 1 right here.
1, 2. So this is the order. We have it in the right order. So now we just have to figure out what the dot is. If you guys commented that you'd see something on the back of the clock with the black light, give your comment a thumbs up. It's in the order. The
Yes.
12s didn't work.
Let's do it the other way.
So the 3.
Yeah, 3.
So a 3 would be
3.
here.
Uh-huh.
The 6
6.
would be down here. The 9 would be here.
Yeah.
3, 6, 9. It worked! It worked! Okay, so there's like a ball. Keys! And
Those
look.
letters.
Oh my gosh.
These don't have any keys at all right now. We can figure out where the other one. Did it work?
No. See a white powder? It worked! This is a powder.
And a scoop.
And a scoop. Okay, so it says 1 scoop. Matt, come here. Okay, Matt, you.
Oh
Oh
my
my gosh,
gosh.
be careful.
3, 2, 1.
Okay.
We're in.
So this is blue. It looks like we're missing the yellow because the potion was definitely green. Oh, this is so cool.
It like lit up just now. It's one of those X-ray things, like where you can like see it like a negative X-ray, and then like see exactly what it is.
Yeah. We don't have X-rays.
No, we have those little letters.
Okay.
The same kind of thing.
Okay.
They would fit perfectly in here.
Oh wow, they totally light up when they're on here. Look, they have different colored dots on them.
Okay, let's separate them into the different colors, Beck.
I'm gonna do red.
Okay, I'll work on green.
HAS is has. Is there?
Famal, you're.
What color is this?
Oh, look at this, look at this.
Code.
Okay, formula.
So code.
Code has formula.
What was the code?
What if it's formula has code?
Formula has code. So here's the formula.
Okay.
Okay,
Is
so
there
move
any
this
code on
over.
there?
Code has formula or formula has code.
What's that right there? Well, what if we use the black light?
Okay.
Look at that right here.
Yeah, maybe there's something on it.
Oh, I found something. Code 10.
Code 10.
Beck, step out.
What? What? Wait, look, there's something on the back. N-N-E-S-W-N.
Yes.
Zamfam, what do you think that means? N-N-E-S-W-N.
There's that code over there.
The code
Yes,
with
yes.
the letters.
Okay.
Okay.
There's 5 on here.
There's 6 on here.
That's not it.
Okay. There's a directional one. Okay.
North, east, south, west, north. So we're just gonna go in the directions of the compass.
You think that'll work?
Yep, let's try it.
Okay.
South, west, north. Yes!
It worked. It worked. This is the last item we need to make the truth serum. All right. So it says 50 milliliters. So let's just measure out to 50. There.
There you go.
Okay. Now we need to pour it in. Zamfam, we did it. We made the truth serum. That means we can give this to anyone that's a GameMaster or that we think is the GameMaster.
Exactly.
Congratulations, you have successfully made the truth serum.